Good morning, class 6. Today we are going to do chapter number 4, playing with numbers, exercise 4.5. Okay, in this exercise we are going to do prime factorization. Okay, by prime factorization we'll find HCF. So in this whole exercise we are going to do HCF. So this one is prime factorization method and this one is division method. Okay, so let's learn about the first method. So question number 1a, you have to find the HCF by prime factorization method. As I have already told you how to do prime factorization, write 36, then with the table, with which table you can start doing it. So as we know, 36 has 6 as its end, so it will be divisible by 2, so we will start with 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Then 2 9s are 18. Then 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. We have to stop till we'll get 1. After that again 84 we have to write. Then again we have to see from which table we can do. Now it has 4 at its end, so we'll do it with 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Then again with 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now it has 1 at its end, so we know 1 doesn't comes in the table of 2, so we'll not do with 2. After that which number comes? 3. So we will check with 3. So 3 7s are 21, we know. So that's why 3 7s are 21. After that 7 we have got, and 7 does not comes in the table of any number. It comes in the table of 7 only. So we will write 7 1s are 7. After that we have to write the factors of 36. So what are the factors? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That we will write over here. And factors of 84 we will write 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Okay. Now HCF is what? Highest common factor. Means we have to take the common factors of it. Okay. And highest means we have to take all the common factors and we have to multiply it. So here we can see 2 is here also and here also. Here also 2, here also 2, and 3 is here also and here also. So what we will do, all the common factors we will take it once. So it will be 2 multiply 3, that is equals to 12. Okay, so 12 is a number which divides both the number 36 also and 84 also. Okay, 12 3s are 36 and 12 7s are 84. So like that we have to do. We have to find the highest number, highest common factor that divides both the numbers. Okay, next is question number 12. Question number 2, here what you have to find it out? Here again you have to find the HCF by division method. Okay, so how to do division method? Take the larger number inside and take the smaller number outside. Now start dividing. This will be the divisor. So 184, 1s are 184, so we'll write 184 here. Now subtract. So we are left with 46. Now this 46 will become our divisor. Okay, and this 184 will come inside. Okay, then again we will do, so 46 4s are 184. Now we have got 0. We have to do it till the time we get a 0. If you are not getting a 0, then we don't have to stop. We have to go till we'll get 0. Okay, and then when we get 0, this last divisor, it is the HCF of 184 and 230. Okay, so last divisor is 46. That's why our answer is 46. 46 divides both the numbers exactly. Now question number 3. Here we have to find the numbers which divides 270 and 84, leaving remainders 2 in both the cases. Okay, so if it is leaving the remainder 2, means we can subtract 2 and then we can find the HCF. Then we'll get an exact number. So first of all you just divide 270 minus 2 and 84 minus 2. That will get 268 and 82. Whenever the remainder is given, like this remainder leaving this remainder, then you subtract that remainder from the numbers. Okay, all questions are similar. So it will become 268 and 82. Now we will find the HCF again by the division method. Here we are writing the larger number inside, that is 268, then 82. Now 82 3s are 246, so our answer is 22 here. Now 22 is the remainder. Now this divisor will become again your dividend. So 22 82, so it will 22 3s are 66. Now again the remainder is 16. Now this 22 will come inside. So 16 1s are 16. Now 6 has come inside. Now 6 2s are 12. Now 4 is the remainder. Now 6 will come inside. Okay, so 4 1s are 4. 6 minus 4 will be 2. Now this 4 will come inside. So 2 2s are 4 is equals to 0. Now we have got 0. So So till the time we'll get a 0, we will not stop. Okay, and we have got the 0, means this divisor is our answer. So this is 2. So that's why the HCF of 268 and 82 is 2. So therefore, the greatest number which divides 720 and 84, leaving remainder 2 in each case, is 2. Okay, this will be answer. In question number 7, what you have to do? You have to reduce these two numbers in the lowest fraction without cutting them. Okay, so how will we do it? Again, we will find the HCF of it and then we can solve it out. So 2304 will be written inside, larger number inside, smaller number outside. So 1824 ones are 1824, subtracted 480, then 1824, 483 is 1440, then again subtract 384. Now 384 divided by 480, that will be 384 ones are 384, again 96 is left. Now 96 fours are 384, that we have got 0. Okay, so we have got 0 over here, therefore this is our divisor. So we can divide both the numbers with 96. So divide both the numbers with 96. So 1824 divided by 96, we have got 19, and 2304 divided by 96, we have got 24. So this is the lowest fraction that can be reduced from these two numbers. Okay class, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.